Yep.
Ron and Amy are taking us on Chinaman Gulch. I hopped in my Rubicon Sunday morning, Mother's Day, and headed towards Buena Vista, Colorado. We were meeting up with Ron, a Jeep talk show fan, fellow Jeeper and off-roader, and a vintage Jeep enthusiast. Ron and his wife Amy were taking us on the trail Chinaman's Gulch Loop. So tell me about Chinaman Gulch.
Well, it's kind of one of the top trails in Colorado. It's challenge after challenge. It's not for the faint of heart.
So maybe I should stay here?
No, you'll be fine. You've got lockers. I'll say this, that it's not a long trail, but it's challenge pretty much the whole way. And there's lots of good obstacles, lots of rocks, lots of ravines, lots of gullies, washes, ledges, boulders. It's got a little bit of everything. So yeah, it's a good time. It's a good time.
The games begin.
Chinaman Gulch Off-Road Trail, a 7.9-mile loop near Buena Vista, Colorado. Some parts of the trail are narrow and sandy with isolated rock obstacles, but there are bypasses. So now we're in a little sandy wash. Plus there are some areas where you can just play on the rocks. Some consider it a challenging trail. It takes an average of about 4 hours to complete. It's a very popular trail for off-road driving in Colorado. The best times to visit this trail are March through November.
What a place to start.
I know. Braun was wheeling his 1952 Willys MC, aka an M38. This little Jeep would surprise you. He was able to make it easily over all those obstacles. Ron fully restored his Jeep, and that little thing can get over anything. This Jeep has the best RTI score in all of southern Colorado. Oh, am I going to bounce down?
Yeah. Straighten it up a little bit. There you go. Come on up. Driver, just a little bit. Yep. Drop a little bit. Driver. Yep. You got it. Driver a little bit and then come straight up. Yep. There you got it.
Straight up this thing? Ooh! And then just turned. Okay. Oh. Couldn't even tell.
Yeah, I know you're. So if you stay a little driver and come around that way,
okay,
you won't get in the ruts like I did. Okay? Lock them and then come this way.
I just have the rears locked. Do both?
Yeah, it should be fine.
Huh. Oh my God, I'm sweating. Oh my God, I'm sweating!
Now you must start turning passenger.
I'm not gonna tip, am I?
No. Straighten it up and come straight forward.
Oh, God almighty. Jeez, I don't know why that scared the shit out of me. I feel like it's been a while since I wheeled because that was kind of scary. And I think I'm in my head because I'm in Colorado, wheeling in the Colorado mountains. So I think I'm like mentally in my head and I need to, whew. But I'm like sweating. That was nerve-wracking. I don't know why. So that obstacle I locked. And now I unlocked. So there's two ways here. I don't know if he's taking us over the... Holy crap. You guys can see for miles. But I'm not stopping to show you, so you're out of luck, people. Because once I'm going, I'm gonna keep going. Okay, since we're stopped.
They're getting out of the way. Okay, what we're gonna do here is we're gonna take a right, and we're gonna just stop and take a look at the top of Carnage. We'll walk down, and you can see what sort of trail Carnage is.
Oh, it's beautiful up here. So I don't know if you heard on the CB, Ron said we're gonna go up here and take a look at the Carnage Trail. So there's two trails up here, Chinaman Gulch and Carnage. Carnage doesn't sound too fun to me, but he said we're gonna walk it so we can see it, but no matter what, that's a no-go for me. Okay, just the name alone, yeah, no.
No. That Carnage is the one trail I'll never do, probably.
No.
If your Jeep has a body, no. Like I said.
Do you go down this or you come up
it's
this?
one way up.
Well, this looks like a Kingman ledge here. Oh, hell no. No, no, no. Just the, holy crap. Jesus. People come up this?
Yep.
In regular Jeeps, or are they in buggies?
Buggies.
Yeah, but look at the turn you have to make, and with a long body Jeep, that would be a... No, there's no way I could ever get...
And then once you get here, then you gotta come up this.
Yeah.
And the problem is that if you get too far on that side and you hit this wrong,
You'll go
roll
tumbling down.
there.
Yeah, nuh-uh.